So you turn left at the gray nucleotide, double back at the binary sequence on the 14th pair, and don't forget to wave to the amino acids. Don't worry, honey. I know exactly where we're going. So Bill Clinton and Tony Blair say genes belong to everyone. Sounds great, in theory. Of course, they're talking about human genes. Let's put it into context. Imagine the human genome is one of those gap pads, and the genes are all those people singing. Now imagine, oh, I don't know, 100,000 of them. That's a lot of harmony. See, that's the problem with the whole human genome project. It's great to say, hey, we'll come up with a genetic map that tells us what everything does, but then somebody's got to do the heavy lifting. So far, the pointy-head science types have done pretty well. They're a little over halfway there. But private companies are also doing the research, and that's where things get sticky. Blair, Clinton, they want the companies to share their info so they can come up with a rough draft of human DNA this year. And the private companies want to patent everything. That's right, Paco. Somewhere in there, it's a genetic sequence that's got DuPont written all over it. Think of what's at stake. Cures for genetic diseases, new treatments, mini-me. You can see why this little back and forth is such heavy stuff. I know a guy who knows a guy. No split protein on the 21st pair, which makes him susceptible to Steely Dan and ringworm. Anyways, he says the government's just trying to scare the private companies. Oh yeah, eventually they're going to back down and let more companies get involved to get the whole gene map done even faster. Welcome to your future, kids. This genetic test for breast cancer, brought to you by Frank's Chicken, where breasts are our specialty. Screen for baldness? Buy Windows. And hey, doesn't the cure for Lyme disease go better with Coke? Don't think of them as yours. Think of them as 100,000 tiny billboards. Genius!